Welcome to this video tutorial, where we will show you how to use our new metal drawer configurator. To start, visit the Richelieu website landing page. Then please click on Product, Custom-Made Cabinet Doors and Drawers. Next select Custom Metal Drawer. Scroll down and found our metal drawer configurator. You can now start configuring your first drawer. Step 1. Determine whether you want your wood parts cut or cut and assembled. With the cutting service, we will provide you with a particle board drawer bottom and drawer back pre-cut and pre-drilled, ready to be assembled. Each part will be labeled for easy identification. With the cut and assembly service, you will receive a fully built drawer, ready to be installed in your cabinet. Drawer back, drawer bottom and metal drawer panels will be put together for you. Step 2. Select the drawer style of your choice. Step 3. Select your drawer side finish. Step 4. We have carefully pre-selected board colors that perfectly matches the drawer side finishes. You can choose your preferred option. Step 5. Select the drawer application. By selecting inner drawer application, aluminum front panel will also be pre-cut. Step 6. Select whether you want gallery rails. Step 7. Select the drawer height. Step 8. Select the slide length. Step 9. We are now at the final stage of the configuration. Make sure you have your unit of measure selected in millimeter for precision. If not, change it using the drop-down list located at the top right of the comment section. You will need to enter the quantity of drawers you just configured. Minimum quantity is 1. Then, enter the interior cabinet width predetermined during your project planning. If you choose the gallery rail option, extra fields will need to be filled before completing your configuration. Enter your drawer front and drawer back height to customize the height of your drawer. Those recommendations for your drawer back height will be provided based on the drawer height you chose at Step 6. Those recommendations are the minimum and maximum that can be billed. Variations in width of the same configured drawer can be added using the Add New Dimension Plus button, depending on if you chose the gallery rail option. You will also be able to choose a different height. You can finally click on Calculate Price to see pricing. If mistakes were made during the drawer front and back calculations, an error message will appear to provide you with further recommendations. Please note that you can click at all times on the Reset Configurator button, located at the top right corner of the configurator, if you want to refresh all your selections and start over. A drawer configuration may also be saved in your account under your favorites for future reference and/or a quick selection on your next order. This Richelieu service saves you assembly time and makes you more efficient. If you need assistance with the configurator, please contact our customer service or your local representative. It will be our pleasure to help you.